View the model or select the entities to which to associate the hash tag BIM. Access the section to add the hash tag BIM. Define the tags that identify the metadata of the selected objects. View the hash tag BIM associated with the objects. Copy the tag structure to apply it to the objects of the model or to the entity of another model. Modify the value of a tag. Create a hashtag BIM and indicate its value later. Select the model objects through the previously assigned tags.